It's the first day of fall. I thought I would do a little video of some of the stuff on my potting bench. Recently germinated some milkweed that was in my fridge for the last like 5 months. Should have germinated this summer. Anyway, this is poke milkweed, and this is green milkweed, Asclepias spiritus, Asclepias exaltata, one of those exaltata things. And they're both doing really well. Well, I'm gonna need to transplant them. I'll probably do that this weekend. Get some time and put them in some just some empty of these longer pots that had other things in it. He's got some parsley hawthorn in there right now that have come up in our flower beds, and the weed. And so I'll probably transplant some of that into here and let them grow until spring and transplant them out then. And back over here I've got this purple prairie clover. Came free with my Prairie Moon order earlier in August, and actually germinated really fast. Oh, and my nodding allium. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, let's see if I can move some of these larger mulch pieces in this leaf. Okay, oh, I'm excited about that. These are nodding allium. They came up from seeds that from a plant that came in my garden. They bought off of Etsy earlier this year, and I'm excited about that. So I was hoping to have more to plant in my flower bed for next year. Thought I would grow them out over winter and set them out in the spring. So that's exciting. That's a new development. Oh, over here I moved this one. I've got some Cinna Marylandica. This is, I think this is the dried seed that I started just this weekend, but I had started some fresh seed and a little bit before that, and it is coming up as well. Looks like something's been nibbling on that. Not sure who's crawling around in there doing that, but there's a bunch of seeds in there, and I can get more if I need it. Came up from native around the corner from my house, and I've got some Viburnum dentatum, some seeds I collected on a hike. This Strophostyles Havola, I think. I'm not sure which one it is, but that's like a weed. Not come up yet. Passiflora tenuloba, some seeds I collected from an Airbnb we stayed at in July. And Passiflora incarnata, obviously not up yet either. And I think this is Carolina rock rose from some seeds I got from a friend in a trade. And again, not up yet. This could be something. Oh, no, it is something. It's Hibiscus laevis, but again, something was eating it. This is a Penstemon laxifolium. I confuse those. It's a really nice native Penstemon. And I had to put the stick there because it was just very wobbly and it needs some water. It's kind of dry. And I've been transplanting some of these Verbicina virginica frostweeds because I'm going to give it to some folks. And I've got a bunch of other different stuff up here as well that is not super interesting at the moment. We've got some milkweed that my husband grew out this year that we need to do something with before this is aquatic milkweed gonna bloom. Look how lovely that is. And yeah, some other stuff that we need to plant out. This silly thing has been in this pot for like 4 years, 5 years, probably longer. And we were gonna plant it out last year and we never did. Anyway, that's because we're lazy. And yeah, so I've got, this is Aristolochia tomentosa. We need to try to get those out in the garden this next year. And that's kind of what's going on the potting bench. That's super interesting. Need to do some work for sure out here. All right, until next time.